Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video to analyze for you the Bitcoin, guys. So as you see, what did they doing here? By the way, it's left for it some hours to finish that daily candle. But yesterday, as I tell it to you, I tell you also we touching here. And here it's showing going down, but it will not go that much. Unless if you came here like that, maybe it will go till here, then after that we're going up. So also here, as I tell it to you before, we are in a very stronger accumulation level. So for investors, it's the right time for you guys. Start this AA, and as you see, that one here is the 50 moving average, is not the 200 moving average, that one here. So make a close eye at that, what it's doing. And what I got me in my chart, let me show it to you. Same thing, nothing was changed, guys. As you see it, it came here to that level here. It showed here a rejection, and now there is no sellers. That's what I told you before. I told you big whales, they said they are not going to sell, and we are not going to follow the Nasdaq. And that one is going to be the best things happening to the Bitcoin, guys. So we're just waiting now, Bitcoin to come to break for us here. If it's breaking for us here, that's when also we are going to go higher. But it needs to break for us that long-term trend, that one. So make a close eye at those things, I'm telling you. By the way, you watching me, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Plus every day, guys, we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very well informed about the cryptocurrency world, what it's doing, guys. It's very simple, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, it will become green. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, you're going to be subscribed to our channel, and when also we put in a new video, go on to be notified, my friend. Or you can join our Telegram channel, so like that you're going to be notified more quicker. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So I think everything is too clear here, guys. Let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, when it touch here, I tell it is going to make a correction, and that's what it's doing here, as you see it. So there is no buying, no selling yet. As you see, everything in front of you, guys. It's still very early for us to buy. And here, as you seeing, guys, it try to give you here a small trend like that, but it's not that powerful. The same thing like the chart. I think everything is too clear. By the way, I know you are a subscriber to our channel. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it, helping us, guys, helping us growing up more that channel. We want by the end of this month to reach to 2,000 subscribers, and we can reach to that only by the help of you guys. Just by liking all the videos of us, writing for us comments, so like that we will grow up, and like that you're going to benefit from our highly and in-depth analysis, guys. Think everything is too clear, guys? So let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it, guys, nothing was changing here. We still have here the divergence we tell you before, and we have another one here, as you see it. So also we're still in a downtrend, guys. The only thing here, I tell it to you, if it came and breaking for us that level here, also we are going to enter long. Till now it hasn't came to it, and it hasn't break it, so there is no entry yet, guys. Also we're still waiting, because it might from that level where we are to fall down more. So also it need to come to break for us here. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter, guys. That's what I told you, because that the third or the first condition of our strategy, as we said, stronger level. And yes, you are in a very stronger level. That one here to be in oversold, and is it at the oversold? And here the price action, is it the trend line here? It need the price to come and to break it here. Also we talk it just here about the small time frames. If it's break it, it might will go until here till 24k. So from that level where you are, from 20k to 24k, you make decent profit, my friend. I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, if you remember what I told you, we got here. I told you got here a triangle like that. It's very clear, guys. Look at it. And as I told you guys, that triangle of us, the market came to it yesterday here, but it couldn't break it. As you see it, it show here a rejection. But as I told you, there is no big selling happening. So as you see it, it came to that level here. And as you see down here in the volume, there is no big volume in the selling, guys. Even if we zoom it like that, zoom it together, for the picture to be more clear to you guys. As you see, the only one who spike here is the green, and the sellers there is no big volume. That a very good news guys happening is I tell it to you, the whales, that what they said they are not going to sell. Anyone want to sell his Bitcoin, let him to sell. Then they said they are not going to sell, they are going to hold it even if it go to zero, and that a very good news guys. Also we wait in the coming days, if there is coming some news, we will see if it's going to push it up, because those ones they selling is them, they making the Bitcoin to fall down, and the day traders and scalpers, those ones they sell alone. But I told you the supply and demand. I told you the supply is very, very, very low now. Anyone who got the Bitcoin, he said he will not sell it. Miners, they said they are not going to sell. So it's left only those small spectaculars in the market. Those ones they selling and they buying. So guys, it's a very good opportunity for you to start this at this time. I'm give you very, very highly information, guys. No one can give you this information here in the YouTube, and you can find it nowhere else. Only if someone came to that video and copy it and go and say it, that's another story. But no one can give you that information in the YouTube free, guys. I give you very highly information, and as you see it guys, the market here is dry. There is no selling happening in the market, and that's a very good news guys. So now us what we need to wait in the break to happen. When it breaking here, we are going to enter long, and it's going to break even the 200 moving average here. We're going to enter long, maybe tail here, maybe tail up, but it's a very good opportunity for you guys to start investing in Bitcoin now. So we need to wait in a few days, then we're going to come to you guys, because we need to wait in the unemployment rate of USA, how it's going to come. I think everything is too clear guys. Let's go to see our indicator, what it's saying guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator guys, as you see it, yesterday we be in here at that level, and I tell you here there is no power to push up because no one buying, and I tell you don't be the fuel of the market. I told you lead the big whales them to be the fuel of the market guys, and now as you see it go back here. That meant in that place where we are now, the buyers and the sellers, or the bulls and the bears, they are equal guys. There is no one is winning here. Both of them, they are equal. So it's still early guys, and we're going to give you the right answer is our other indicator guys. Let's go there to see what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. The one here, as you see it guys, when it touch here the overbought, now he try here to fall down, and as you see it here, now it touching the 200 moving average from the top. So let's hope that 200 moving average, when it's getting broke, is going to become like a support now, because it used to be a resistance. So now that one, there is no buying yet guys, there is no buying, so you need to make a close eye at it. It needs to fall down till the oversold area. That when also we buying. I think everything is too clear guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes, for the picture to be more clear to you, and we see if we can find there a scalping opportunity in that Saturday to make some profit. So let's go into 30 minutes guys. Here we are guys in 30 minutes, and in 30 minutes I tell it to you, if you remember what I told you like the 200 moving average, was it telling you it's flat, there is no volume in the market guys, and that will make it the big whales and the miners, they said they are not going to sell, they are going to hold the Bitcoin they have, but the miners they can't stay long. But the big whales, yes, they can, because there is staking and they earn an interest rate about their Bitcoin. So they said they are not going to sell, even if it go to zero. Only those ones they use in margin. Those ones they, if it fall down, they will sell, because or it's going to come to them a margin call. That's not our case guys. Here in 30 minutes guys, what you seeing you are in a stronger level, as you see it here. The one here, when it's getting broke, it's become here like a support. Used to be here a resistance. Now here you are in a stronger level, and what you got here, look with me, let's zoom it a little bit. What you got here guys, look with me, you got here a flag, as you see it here. Now what you need to do guys, either if it came and breaking here down, depending on our indicator, if it's at the overbought or oversold, if it's breaking down you enter short, if it came and breaking up here you enter long, take profit of you, it need to be here at that level here. It's our indicator, what it's saying, for the picture to be more clear to you guys, and if there is a buying opportunity we will enter guys. Our indicator guys, what it's saying, you are here at the oversold area. So now also we're going to search only for buying opportunities guys. So as I tell it to you, the price action we got is the one here. Yes, you got other price action, but those ones they are too far. Those we're aiming just to earn a few pips. So if it's breaking guys here, we will enter long, take profit of us. It needs to be here at that zone here, as you see it guys, the last peak of that one. That's where you're taking profit. Stop lose of you put it down in that one here. I think everything is too clear guys. You get the picture. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you when the daily candle finished. Bye for now, my friend.